condition. If it's busy like this, with 35 is better.
Yeah.
Keep going ahead. We remain in center here by checking both mirrors left and right and remain in center. Little bit to the right is your positioning, okay? When you're going around the roundabout, around the bend. Now keep on the left lane here. Keep going ahead. So lane 2 also go ahead, but from
Right. Yeah.
from this lane 2, people merge in our lane. So when we go ahead, we keep checking our center and right mirror in case they come in our lane, okay?
Right, yeah.
And sometimes they go really fast and they want to go before us, so we keep checking. When the lane become one, then it's fine.
Right.
But she's gonna merge with us. Can you see these 2-3 cars in lane 2?
Yeah.
They're gonna try to merge in our lane in there, okay? So you keep checking your center mirror and right mirror. Just remain on your own lane on the left. From these arrows, they're gonna come in our lane, okay?
Right, yeah.
Now lane become one, so keep in center, little bit to the right. That's fine, and keep going. More to the right here. We don't go really close with the curb as well. So, because our lane is open and space wide. Can you see the next instruction?
Just to go ahead.
Yeah, next roundabout we are going ahead, okay? 1.1 miles. So keep going ahead in this lane.
In 1 mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit towards Skipton and Bradford.
Speed is fine, okay? Keep at 35, 36 so you are more in control. This is okay. This is a construction area, so we slow down a bit and check properly. What's this sign mean? Road is narrowing, okay?
Right.
So we need to keep
So
eye
we're going
on
in
the
left
road.
and lane.
Yeah, little bit to the right because your car's coming to the left,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you're not checking your left mirror. Because next we're gonna go ahead. Keep going ahead in this lane.
Yeah.
Can you see the next roundabout sign? Big green sign on the left.
Yeah, I can see it.
So this roundabout we are going ahead. Yes, second exit.
Do you want on this then? Do I?
You remain in this lane.
Yeah.
This is lane on the left.
Yeah.
At the
Do I
roundabout,
exit
take
on-
the second exit
We're gonna
towards
follow the
Skipton
sign
and
for Bradford, Skipton, Airport, Ring Road, and this is our lane.
Yeah.
So we keep in this lane. So look at the floor marking. Look for ahead lane.
Yeah.
That's
this
in
is the
center.
middle lane, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. If you go to the left, that's the left. This is ahead. If you go in the right side, you're turning right. Okay. So first exit is this. Our is second where the van is. Can you see? Yeah. First exit is this. Our is second.
So is it all traffic like this as well?
Yeah, this is traffic light roundabout. Okay,
Yeah.
different. It's not a normal roundabout. So how we do this traffic control roundabout? Can we go now with the green light? Yeah. So we go behind this highway maintenance. Okay, nice and slow. Keep it on the left here. Good.
Exit the roundabout towards Skipton and
Yeah.
Bradford.
No, there.
Yeah.
In half a mile at the roundabout,
Keep going
take the
ahead.
second exit.
Check your mirrors. So we go to the right a bit because the hazard is there. Move more to the right, and then we come round in left lane again. Now signal off. Next roundabout, ahead, second exit. So we remain in center here. This speed is fine. Don't go so fast. If you go like 35, you can assess the road as well. So next roundabout, where are we going?
Straight ahead.
Okay, this second exit. Here we remain in center. Your cars keep going to the left.
No, sorry.
No, you need to keep eye on your lane discipline as well, okay? Slow down a bit. This is roundabout we're approaching now. Because 250 yards, we're gonna go
At
ahead
the roundabout, take the second exit.
and we follow the sign for Skipton and Bradford, okay? Ahead, second exit. So when we approach here, before the giveaway line, we're stopping, checking on our right. So this is first. Where's your second
Over
exit?
there.
Okay, good. When it's safe, tell me when it's safe that we go around and then exit the roundabout. Move forward a bit behind the line and stop and then check. Can we go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Did you see the big Tesco truck?
Yeah. That's why I thought, right, this is safe.
He is your blocker. Good. We keep it on the left here, nice and slow.
In
and
2
then we
miles.
go.
At the roundabout, take the second
Now
exit
go.
towards Bradford and the M62 West.
Fine, good. What's the speed here?
70 on this road.
No, it's 50. It's changed. Don't trust on this. Just look on the road.
Right,
This speed is not correct. Okay, it's 40 now. Look.
Right, Oh, yeah. on
Yes,
there,
so slow down. So always check on your
the new road.
Yeah. Every new road, where you gonna check which side?
It's on your left.
Yeah, left or right, both.
Yeah,
Okay. But this speed is wrong. Can you see here 70? But this is wrong. Can you see on the road?
Yeah, 40.
Yeah, 40 till here, and
But then you
it's,
go past it and it's 50, isn't it?
yeah. So many roundabouts, like we did like 5, 6.
Crazy. I think there's a lot of roundabouts up here. Anyway,
But these
isn't
are
there?
major roundabouts. You can
Yeah.
practice here really, really well then. So nice for your practice.